Introducing our Edufuturism Learning Series, a pay-what-you-want bi-weekly live web series featuring interactive lessons on emerging content in progressive education. Aimed at K-12 and higher ed audiences, including teachers and curriculum coaches, all sessions are interactive and feature activities to reflect on your own practice and share through coaching, mentoring, and professional development. Our goal is to connect educators, academics, designers, authors, and more together to build a better, brighter future. For the first half of 2023, we're announcing Design for Change, Learning from Video Games, how we can look at video games for a new perspective on classroom education, using AI without losing ourselves, ethics and application, practical and philosophical uses for AI within schools, breaking bubbles, navigating social media and online extremism, counteracting the harmful effects of social media while recognizing its benefits, and fighting back against the future, solar punk, social justice, and speculative fiction, using fiction to reimagine what our future could be. Register live and see recordings of all of our interactive sessions at humanrestorationproject.org/learning. See you there.